Hi everyone, in this video I wanted to make it really simple, but it's such an amazing way to brighten the skin, to lift the pigmentation and dead cells and really create changes. So I hope you enjoy it and I appreciate you stopping on by. Hi everyone, it's Kelly J, and our channel Jolie Day Spa Skin Clinic is all about bringing you tips and tricks that will help create changes in your skin in the convenience of your own home. We bring you 24 years. Suzanne has 24 and I have 24. We met in esthetician school and started our first skin clinic in 2001 actually. So everything we're sharing with you is exactly what we do at the spa. It might be a fraction more aggressive at the spa, but what I share with you here are very safe and effective ways to change your skin at home. So today what I want to do, let's get started, and please like and subscribe to our channel if you're not already a subscriber. We really appreciate that. So what I want to do today is I want to show you how there's really effective ways to remove that top layer of dead cells. And in doing that, we also really lift the pigment that's kind of stuck on the surface of our skin. So the first one I'm going to start with is our Papaya Enzyme Polish. My face has already been cleansed, and I'm just going to take about the size of, I would say, a quarter, and I am going to dampen my skin just so that I get a really nice glide. Excuse me. Let me grab for this, and I'm going to put a little bit of Hydrolock essence in my skin. Working that in an upward motion. And I like it because it helps with the beautiful glide of the Papaya Enzyme Polish. So now that I've got the Hydrolock essence on my skin, I'm just going to work the Papaya Enzyme. Oh, it's quite a luxurious product to use. A little bit about Papaya Enzymes. Let me clarify. We talk about peels in different ways. There are chemical peels that are much more aggressive at the spa. There are what we call cellular peels. And under cellular peels, they can be an AHA or a serum that has a very low pH, and that would be a cellular chemical peel that is very safe to use at home. I'm going to be showing you a really nice peel in a few minutes, and it's called the Mandelic acid peel. But back to the two types of at-home peels, there's also a physical peel, which would be an enzyme. So with this enzyme polish, I'm getting a beautiful exfoliation. The enzymes work like little Pac-Men to slough off and polish that layer that needs to be exfoliated on the surface. Now I will put a little pressure in areas that I really want to see a nice resurfacing, places I have texture. For example, my forehead. My forehead gets a little thicker kind of surface, and I think some of my pores can start to look a little bit larger. And by using the polish in those specific areas with a little more pressure, what we're doing is we're exfoliating the sides and the pore, the skin around the pore. We're exfoliating that so that we have a nice decrease in the pore size. Now I'll go up on my neck, and that is the simplicity there of a Papaya Enzyme Polish scrub. Now I'm going to go on to another scrub just to show you how wonderful, how much and how wonderful the results are with different scrubs. Now you can mix these up. You could do one scrub once a week. Like the Papaya Enzyme, you can do that 2 times a week or 3 times a week. And then we go on to the exfoliating Retinol 2% scrub. Now this can be used as a scrub or mask, and this is an actual sample size from the website. And this is from a professional company that we buy our chemical peels from. So this one is called Retinol 2% Exfoliating Scrub or Mask. Now you can layer this on your skin and you don't have to work it into the skin. You can layer it on the skin and then massage it into the upper layer, or you can go like right in like I do. I'm going to take a size of about a dime. Oh, I rave about this product because I believe that having retinol suspended in this beautiful scrub is such a powerful combination of active ingredients, because we are brightening the skin, we are basically massaging the retinol into the skin. You know, retinol is a form, it converts into the prescription product, tretinoin, but it's a much more mild version, but it does the job. It does the job because it converts in the skin into an active ingredient that stimulates fibroblasts in the skin. Fibroblasts are important, one of the most important issues in the skin, because we see a reduction in fibroblast stimulation as we go through menopause. So the fibroblasts thicken the skin, they create cells, and that in turn keeps our skin firm and thick. Okay, now we're doing well. Now I'm going to give you a little disclaimer here. Now, those of you that watch my channel, our channel, you know that I'm very aggressive with my skin. And a lot of skin types couldn't take that. But after 24 years of working on my skin, and I also became obsessed about my skin when I was about 16, just watching some of the genetics I had in my family, I really started to take care of it and really had a passion for how I could prevent damage. It's all about pro-aging. I'm not against fine lines and wrinkles, but what I do want to do is I want to control the amount of pigmentation I have. I want to protect my skin. I want the surface to look clean and bright and lively. And those are all what I call pro-aging. And I'm very comfortable with lines and wrinkles. That's fine. But there's also something that's very fundamental about having really good, healthy skin. And that's what I love. So let me go on to the last treatment. And I cannot tell you how exciting it is. We have launched a Mandelic acid peel. And I'm going to tell you, this is a product and a peel that we use at our spa. And how we would use this peel is we would layer it over more aggressive peels. So it's like the finishing touch. And what it does is, Mandelic acid is made from almonds, and they've done studies that show that Mandelic acid is a perfect, really, really beneficial ingredient to treat sensitive skin. So if you're on a Fitzpatrick 1 through 5, 1 being the lightest all the way down to up to a 5, where you're highly pigmented, the skin does not react, and the skin is calmed, and it really does a beautiful job of treating the skin. It brightens the skin, and it tightens. But let me tell you, one thing Mandelic is really doing is it stimulates collagen. So I've been so excited about this, because using it in my skin routine, I use it 3 times a week. I would advise anybody that's watching this video and wants to start on the Mandelic acid, just apply it 1 time a week after washing your face, and do it in the evening. And all you're going to do is you're just going to open the Mandelic acid pill. You'll want to store the cylinder, the ampule, in a safe, dry spot. So just to keep it, active. So then what you're going to do is you're just going to apply a couple little drops here onto your pad, and you're just going to quickly swipe your skin. You'll feel a tiny bit of tingling. But what you will see the following day, I would advise you to do this at night for your nighttime routine. So you're going to cleanse really well, and then you're going to apply your Mandelic acid. You're going to let it cool after you apply it. Let it absorb into the skin until your skin feels like it's not damp or wet. You can go down your neck and into your décolleté. And that's it. I will tell you that this little ampule here will be enough for at least 6 to 8 weeks, 1 time a week. And it's as easy as that. Now, I'm going to feel a little tingling for a few minutes, but for time's sake, I want to show you how I'm going to occlude the product, okay? I mean, the treatment. Since we did the Papaya Enzyme Scrub, and then we went on to the Retinol 2% exfoliating scrub and mask, and then the Mandelic, those are examples of 1 to 2 times per week. And then if you really want to alternate products, get the Papaya Enzyme Cream Polish, try that for 1 week. The next week, do the Mandelic acid, or do Papaya and Mandelic acid 1 night a week, each one. 1 night Mandelic, 1 night Papaya later in the week. And then the exfoliating scrub is mild enough. You could also, you could go to your next week and do Retinol by SkinScripts, the 2% exfoliating scrub, and do Mandelic separate nights. So just choose 2 exfoliants or 1, but if you do 2, just alternate nights, like 3 nights apart. But now I want to show you, this is the important part. This is how we're going to, we really want to replace the hydration in our skin, the lipid barrier, because we've exfoliated. So I have just, again, applied a nice application of our Hydrolock Essence. I can feel a little activity still. It's really nice. I can feel hydration deep in my skin. Now I'm packing my skin with nutrients and antioxidants. Okay, so I'm letting that soak in. Excuse me 1 minute. And now I am, there we go. I always tell everyone, don't put your fingers in your jar. So I'm using the end of a spatula here. And I'm gonna go in tonight, change it up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with our Rapid Glow Moisturizer. The Rapid Glow Moisturizer is so amazing for brightening, pigmentation, and delivering, I believe there's 7 key ingredients in the Rapid Glow 7. Now, if you are a person that is really concerned about your melasma or your hyperpigmentation, you definitely want to try the Mandelic acid. That's going to be your stronger choice. Your Mandelic, and then your Retinol 2% exfoliating scrub. You want to work those into your routine during the week. Like I say, 1 to 2 nights a week. Alternate those to the Mandelic and the Retinol 2% exfoliating scrub. And then put your Hydrolock on. And then apply your Rapid Glow 7. Now this will lighten and tighten and brighten. More than anything, it's going to address pigmentation. And if you want to take it one step further, because I always do, you don't have to, but if you wanted to apply one of the products on top of the Rapid Glow 7, you could, if you have very, very resilient skin, non-sensitive like I do, I would get crazy and I would apply glycolic rectifying cream over Rapid Glow 7. That's a completely clinical strength product. And if you're new to our product line, test the side of your chin with that layer of glycolic rectifying. If you just want to stop with Rapid Glow 7, that's beautiful. If you want to add a peptide, add our Reviving Deep Wrinkle Matrixyl 3000 cream over the Rapid Glow 7. Those two are safe and beautiful and are going to create more changes in the skin. That's a beautiful combination. So safe too. And if you're new to this routine, that would be beautiful. Mandelic acid peel, 1 night, and then your daily Hydrolock, then apply your Rapid Glow 7 moisturizer, and then Reviving Deep Wrinkle Matrixyl 3000. Unbelievable results. And then don't forget, 1 night, add your Retinol 2% exfoliating scrub and mask, daily Hydrolock, Rapid Glow 7, and if you decide to do the Deep Wrinkle Matrixyl 3000 cream, you will be creating beautiful results. Investing in your skin, turning back the clock, and that's what we're all about here. I hope that I've been clear enough about these scrubs and peels and what they will do for your skin. I thank you for watching and stopping on by. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up. Follow us over on Instagram for tips and tricks and deals, and go to our site, www.jolie, Joli, spa.com, and join the Insiders Club. We're always sending out coupons and tips and tricks, and I hope this has helped. And please, in the comments below, let me know if any of these products are helping you or if you have any questions. I love helping, and I love helping our followers create changes in their skin. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a really great day.